चलिए अब हम सॉल्व करेंगे सेकंड प्रॉब्लम इन दैट फर्स्ट बिट वी हैव. What is that? If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if only we add 1 to the denominator. Then what is the fraction? That is what they are asking. First and foremost thing is we don't know the fraction. So let us assume that numerator of the fraction is x and denominator of the fraction is y. So what will be our fraction? X by y will be our fraction. Now go back and check what they have given in the question. If you add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the answer will be 1. It means x plus 1 by y minus 1 is equal to 1. That is what in the first part of the question they have given. So as per the information we can write x plus 1 by y minus 1 is equal to 1, and after transposing you will get x minus y is equals to minus 2. Again second part, it becomes, what becomes, this given fraction will become 1 by 2 when you add 1 to the denominator. So what we have to do, x by y plus 1, x by y plus 1 will give us the answer 1 by 2. So let us see that. Again we have written the second condition here, x by y plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. After simplification you will get 2x minus y is equals to 1. Now we have two equations with the help of given information we have written. Again to solve these two equations in this exercise we are going to follow elimination method. हम लोग y term को निकाल देने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे, क्योंकि here y term in both the equations we have same quotient, how much, 1. So if you subtract first equation from second equation, you can directly remove y term so that you will get x value. So that is what we are going to do. We are going to subtract first equation from second equation. So now let us do subtraction. This is second equation and this is first equation, and when we are subtracting we have to change the symbols. So minus y plus y gets cancelled and 2x minus x will give you x, and 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Finally we got the answer x is equals to 3. Now we have to find y value using this x value. So x is equals to 3, let us substitute in equation 1 here, then you will get y value 5. Finally we got x value 3 and y value 5, and the required fraction will be 3 by 5. Hope you got good clarity on this problem. If yes, please share with as many friends as possible. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.